Hi there, this is Joe from Signagelive, and in this video I wanted to talk to you all about a brand new feature we have coming to Signagelive, which is all about duplicating assets within a playlist. So here we are on my Signagelive network, and as you can see it's actually quite empty, but what we're going to do is go over to Content, Playlists, Create and Edit. Once we're in the Content Manager, as per usual, we will grab an asset and we're going to drag it into a playlist. And of course this would apply for any existing playlists you have as well. So once the asset is in the playlist, you'll notice we've got a new button that's appeared at the top here, which we can't select at the moment, but that's because we haven't selected the asset. So what I'm going to do is select my asset here. And if I select this duplicate button, this will immediately duplicate the asset in its current form. You can also do this with multiple assets as well. So if I grab a different asset now and I select two of them and then hit duplicate, you'll see that both of the assets are duplicated and added to the latest entry in the playlist. Where this gets even more powerful is that if you double click on the asset, and let's pretend that I want to add a duration to this. So let's pretend I add the duration of 30 seconds. I want to add some conditions to it. So let's pretend that I want it to appear on all players matching this particular tag. Again, this is just a random tag that I've selected on this network. And let's set some validity as well. So let's say this asset is valid from today until next week. I'm going to hit OK. So now this asset here, the one that I've just set with all its validity settings and the duration, if I now select that one and duplicate it, you'll notice that it's duplicated all of the conditional tagging, it's duplicated all of the validity, and essentially any of the properties that I set on this particular asset. And of course, this would also apply if I double click on the asset here, if I were to set anything in the recurrence, the actions, or the proof of play as well. All of these properties would be copied along with the asset. This is going to significantly improve the workflow and the speed at which you build your playlists out. For example, I can select all of my assets now, hit the duplicate button, and immediately I have 12 assets in my playlist ready to go. I hope you enjoyed this first look at this new functionality within Signagelive. It's of course coming soon, and when we have more information on the release date, we'll of course let you know via email. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us and we can answer any questions you may have on this functionality or anything else Signagelive related. And with that, I'll see you on the next one.